She's probably thinking, like, did you have a late night last night?
Yeah. Somebody's being very rowdy on me.
What's wrong with you? She got a trail. She's done trail. The rider, Janie hates trail.
Let me come this way so I don't get the stuff from the windows. There you go. Good girl. Oh. She's like, are you trying to get me to do a balance beam? Yeah. Becoming a circus horse. No, she does that when she's like, I don't know what you want. Oh, that's nice. There you go. Oh, that's nice. There. Good girl. No, that's so funny. She reminds me of little Renee when she does that.
I really never noticed this before.
Yeah, she's trying. She's willing. She's very willing.
She does not want you to get upset with her.
Yeah.
She doesn't. She'd rather have you satisfied with sitting there than
She's like the perfect size.
But she doesn't
Perfect size.
Mm-hmm. She is a good size. What do you think?
This is